Waking up in the morning, do you feel unsteady on your feet or worried about losing your balance? This gentle 18-minute morning Tai Chi routine is designed to stabilize your core, prevent falls, and melt away stubborn fat safely at home. Let's build your balance, burn calories, and feel 10 years younger. Let's move together. Get ready to find your balance. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 1. Calf raises with arm pull. Extend your arms forward with open palms, then rise onto your toes as you squeeze into fists and pull back to your waist. This movement strengthens your ankle stabilizers to prevent falls while engaging your core for calorie burning. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 2. Squat and arm pull down. Sink into a half squat with your arms straight overhead, then pull them down parallel while expanding your chest. This targets lower body strength to secure your balance while boosting metabolic rate for efficient fat burning. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 3. Heel to toe rocking. Lean forward slightly and swing your arms forward as you lift your heels. Then swing them backward as you rock back onto your heels. This dynamically trains your balance reflexes to prevent falls while burning active calories. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 4. Side to side weight shift. From a half squat, slowly shift your weight to the left while keeping your right leg straight with the heel on the floor. Then repeat on the other side. This lunge builds single leg stability to prevent trips and slips while engaging your core stabilizers. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 5. Stepping with overhead stretch. Take steady climbing steps in place while extending your arms straight overhead with flipped, crossed palms. This active flow elevates your heart rate for efficient fat burning, while improving coordination to prevent stumbles. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. Squat with torso twist. Bend your arms in front of your chest and sink into a half squat. Then stand tall and twist your upper body side to side. This rotation strengthens your core rotational balance to prevent falls while targeting stubborn abdominal fat. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 7. Backward step with chest pull. Step backward diagonally while pulling your bent arms to your chest. This targets lower body coordination to prevent falls while engaging your core for fat burning. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. Side tap with arm circles. Tap your foot to the side while bending your elbows and circling your forearms upward. This improves lateral balance to prevent slips while keeping your body in a low-impact fat-burning state. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Crossbody toe touch. Bend forward gently to touch your opposite toe, alternating sides. This movement dynamically stretches your hamstrings, strengthens core stability, and burns stubborn calories. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 10. Squat with overhead arm open. Bring your palms together in a half squat. Then stand tall, reach overhead, and open your arms wide. This strengthens your thigh muscles for better stability, while elevating your heart rate for fat burning. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 11. Squat with waist twist. Place your hands on your hips in a half squat. Then gently twist your upper body from side to side. This builds deep core and rotational balance to prevent falls while toning your waistline. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 12. Side stretch with arm swings. Stretch side to side while keeping your palms facing each other and swinging your arms in a diagonal figure 8. This improves dynamic balance to prevent stumbles while burning full body fat. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 13. Arm stretch and twist. Extend your arms forward, then twist your torso as you open one arm backward. This rotation improves your core stability to prevent falls while targeting waist and belly fat. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 14. Heel raises with arm swings. Stretch your arms straight overhead and rise onto your toes. Then swing your arms downward. This flow trains your balance reflexes to prevent trips while boosting calorie burning. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 15. Heel raises with arm opens. Extend your arms forward and open them wide to the sides while rising onto your toes. This deepens your ankle strength to secure balance while burning active calories. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 16. Backward step with arm circles. Step backward diagonally while circling your arms overhead. This improves multi-directional balance and coordination to prevent falls while engaging your core stabilizers. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 17. Chest expansion. Overlap your forearms in front of your chest. Then open your arms wide to the sides. This movement expands your chest to improve posture while activating upper body muscles for calorie burning. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 18. Heel raises with arm lifts. Keep your arms straight out to the sides and lift them upward as you rise onto your toes. This final flow maximizes full body balance control to prevent slips while burning fat. Wonderful job today! You've taken a major step towards stabilizing your core and preventing falls. Which movement did your balance enjoy the most today? Tell me in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for your daily practice. See you tomorrow.